At G58, we have chefs from many different regions. Each chef specializes in different styles of the dishes. This allows G58 to bring an authentic Chinese cuisine with a modern twist. G58 brings a unique and one-of-the-kind cuisine to the Triangle area of North Carolina. Welcome to AI Station. This is Ivy. I'm right now standing outside of my favorite Chinese restaurant. Ta-da! G58 Cuisine. If you're looking for a place with modern Chinese cuisine and upscale dining experience, I guarantee that this place won't disappoint you. Now the time is 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and this restaurant is not open yet for dinner. But why I'm here? Woohoo! Well, I get a special invitation from the owner of the restaurant for a tasting of their new Thanksgiving dinner menu. If you're like me, wondering why this place is called G58, or just want to have a peek at their new dishes, AI Station will take you to their store. Come on with me. Before we go inside, AI Station reminds everyone about the North Carolina policy to have your mask on the entire time inside, except the time you're having food. Let's go.
The G part stands for great, grand, glamour, gorgeous, giving, gratitude. So all the positive words construct the G. 5 means you, me, all of us as a whole. And 8 is a lucky number in China. Sounds like Ba or yes. So fortune. Yes, and fortune. So that's why she had it 5-8 to make it, have a meaning to it. Manager for one pharmaceutical area, and he saw this, and I told him the meaning of it. They were so impressed by it, so they built a brand new building, and they have 3 of these men, and we have 5 statues over here in the pond that's looking at different directions with 8 kois in the water. All I know, it's made out of flour, sugar, and raw, and some Chinese compound. Now this one right here, it's made from a famous artist down in China, I think in the Jiangnan province area. But this is different pins, different depths that create the photo.
The dining area is decorated with many artworks that symbolize Asian Chinese culture, like calligraphy, porcelain mugs, and paintings on the wall. As we walk into the VIP room, this is a grand, glamorous room with a high ceiling and a big round table in the middle. The large wooden window allows for the sunset to come in, and the plates with the golden design on the table are shining off. The 2 rooms are connected with a beautiful center divider, which can be opened up and have these 2 rooms combined into a bigger one that seats up to 26 guests. The other side is connected with another section that have 4 smaller tables for a more family-style service. Private servers and customized menus are offered in each of the rooms for a unique dining service. And finally, I met my friend, the owner of the restaurant. She's going to take us to the kitchen to show us how the dishes here are cooked and crafted. We start to feel mouth-watering with the delicious smell. At G58, we have chefs from many different regions of China. Each chef specializes in different styles of the dishes. This allows G58 to bring an authentic Chinese cuisine with a modern twist.
In 2021 in July, that will be my third years.
And it sounds like you enjoyed here.
It's amazing. I've learned so much about the culture.
I want to know how much Chinese culture did you know before you came here, and then how much you grow, and what do you...
I didn't, to be honest with you. I didn't, because all I know growing up is everything was made in China. Chinese food to us was Americanized. Moving into this area of fine dining, it opened up my eyes tremendously. And everyone that comes through here, Americans, we want General Tso's chicken. And I'm like, I'm sorry, this is a authentic Chinese cuisine. All our chefs are all master chefs from China. They range from different regions, and the General Tso's chicken is more Americanized. So, and I tell them all the time that they won't get disappointed because it's a different flavor. And everyone that's been here, you know, all the foods that I've tasted, I recommend it to them, or I explain it to them, and they're like,
wow,
amazed. Being here in Morrisville, it's like a hidden gem. I tell everyone, it's a diamond in the rough. It's amazing. I love to introduce everything about the culture, about the art, about every little aspect that's around here. It just brings excitement, you know, teaching the Westerners that there's a different style of Chinese.
And I also noticed that there are some European-style paintings beside one of the corner table. And my friend told me that those are from local artists. And she likes to have them here to have Eastern meet the Western in their establishment. G58 brings a unique and one-of-the-kind cuisine to the Triangle area of North Carolina.
Tell them about how your experience of the Chinese culture and what you've tasted, how the flavors and all that.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Hi, hello Sam. Hello my friend. So how have you been working here?
I've been working here since January, so almost a year. And ever since I started working here, it's really opened me up to the culture and all of the different unique flavors. I think a lot of people have a very small idea of what Chinese culture is due to like the very street food restaurants, you know, takeout restaurants that they have here. Exactly, or like General Tso, you know?
So what's your favorite of this?
The Peking duck. The Peking duck is probably my favorite. And it's so good. With the black bean sauce is the best. But my other favorite dish is the pork. That's my favorite.